Hello you guys, my name is Lake. If you don't already know who I am, I go by Lake Marese, and today we're doing a college room tour. Now that we're inside the room, I'm going to show you the little desk type area which is closest to my door and give you all the deets on what's all right there. Alright, let's show you. So when you first look at my desk, it's all over the place. I have a mouse pad that I got from Amazon. Cute little keychain that I recently got off of Shein. Over here in my first section is about a good bit of everything. I have an express yourself little thing. I think I got it out of, I don't know, I think it was Home Goods. No, not Home Goods, Hobby Lobby. I always mix them up. Some sour candy that I don't really eat or consume at all. I have some masks in here, some makeup remover wipes, just, you know, a whole bunch of stuff. Some, you know, nip tape. Some sunglasses I got from Shein that I will never wear because it just did not look cute on me at all. Over here I have my handy duty pepper spray, my water bottle that my mom bought me a few years back, and some Lysol. You can never have too much Lysol. Well, I'm not one of those people that hoard it and like have like tons and cans of it, but you know, like, it's good to have some. So yeah, this first little square is like a bunch of little junk and stuff like that. The second square is books. I have my Bible, Milk and Honey, another book my mom got me, my Kindle, which I have not actually turned it on in years because
Have you ever had a dream that you do?
I don't know where the charger is, so yeah, that's what's going on. All right, then I have a beautiful picture of me and my twin sister when we were younger. If you can guess which one I am, then that would be great. I have a cute little fake plant back there, some acetone, some tape, some sage. Then up here is where it's really like the nail polish and jewelry section. I've also had this piece for about, I'll say, a couple years since my freshman year of college, and I keep it every single year. It used to have these little beads in it that were scented like lemon. The beads are still in there, but you can't really smell it at all. Then over here is where it's like makeup. I got a few little makeup brushes, some more jewelry like bracelets and earrings, my perfume that I've recently been wearing, and some tester perfumes from the same brand. And because I didn't want to just exactly, I guess you can say, get a bunch of perfume like roll on because it's like oil based and not like the scent. I want to get the testers and try it out first. And then over here is just like my notebooks and like planners and stuff like that. I have a bunch of pens and pencils in my little pencil pouch. This is my TV. It's 40 something inch. I really can't remember at all. So yeah, Samsung honey. I got it off for somebody as well from Facebook Marketplace for $100. So that was a steal and I was on it. Okay, I have these cute LED lights, which is the remote that I showed you guys earlier. I like to keep it on this mode to where it's just like a flash in or fade away type mode. Always, I don't really change it for real. If I do, I have it on like pink or something like that. They're pretty bright. I like how they fade and stuff like that. It's really relaxing to me. Cute. It adds this like cinema type theater effect. I love it. I just don't like how it doesn't stick well at all. Like, it had a sticky side and it did not stick well at all. And then I put some more 3M tape that still didn't stick as well, and it's still not doing its job. It was the 3M tape that came with the LED light, so I might have to just get something else. I got those lights out of TJ Maxx. So yeah, down here I have my whiteboard calendar, my mirror, and my laptop. I usually sit here and edit my videos, so a lot of my like electronic stuff, charger, blue light glasses and stuff is all right here. Then I have a self-love workbook in my orientation binder or notebook or whatever you want to call it. Here's my oil diffuser that I recently got off of Amazon. I'm still trying to figure out if exactly I like it or not because it doesn't really reach that far into the room, and I'm wondering, is it the oils or is it something that I'm doing wrong, because it is different compared to my last one. My oils that I have over here, we got apple, bubblegum, strawberry, watermelon, blueberry, lime.
Donna, Lynn, Pat, Lori, Shelly, Aaliyah, Rose, Brian, Darren, and Ulysses.
Sweet orange, peaches and cream, eucalyptus, and this scent that I got from Target. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Refresh blend, essential oil, something like that. And then when you look under my desk, I just have more electronic stuff, more tripods, my old diffuser, and my ring light, of course. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, so now we have made it to my closet. I have my purse on the outside, and this is one of the purse, is a part of the purse set that I recently got off of Amazon. And then when you come to my closet, I'm not gonna show y'all that much. I mean, it ain't that special, honestly. I have a lot of junk going on up in here. So guess what, it's just gonna be what it is. All right, on the inside I have two more purses right here. I have this white purse that I got from Shein and the Michael Kors purse that my boyfriend got me a couple years back. All right, so now when we look into the closet, really not that much. Got a wig up there, a beach hat that can't even fit my head, my vacuum box, and a bunch of clothes. So this is mostly my winter stuff, yada yada. The only thing I'll be wearing anytime soon. I probably should reverse it because sometimes I do that during like the summertime. I put the winter stuff to the back and then I put the summer stuff to the front. Down here on the floor, my Shein package that I need to go through and put up. Some Vans that I wear on a regular basis, like I have worn them out. It's time for me to get a new pair. That is my other bag as well, a part of the purse set. And then my backpack and yoga mat. When you look inside my closet, it's more shoes, more blankets, covers, whatever you want to call it, some just extra junk. As you can tell, my wig, Barbara Jean. Guys, sorry I'm this close to the camera, but it's due to the fact that if I back up, my Pooh MacBook camera is gonna either wash me out or make everything jet black. So this is why I'm so close. If you would notice, I like to name some of the things that I have. For example, my wig, Barbara Jean. If you can see my suitcase as well in the closet, it is aqua. My MacBook is called Frost. And my screaming mini fridge in the background, as always, she likes to make an appearance. Mimi the mini fridge. Thank you for watching again. Once again, thank you. All right, yeah, so we're gonna get out of the closet because it's really not too organized, and keep it going. Then on the wall I have this Equal Justice Initiative calendar that my mom got me a few months back. Then I have some stuff down here. I'm still trying to figure out where exactly I'm going to put this stuff. The Hello Sweet Cheeks chalkboard, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. I haven't figured it out yet, so yeah. Then some carpet seasoning, that's what I like to call it now. And here is my mirror. It's pretty dusty, I'm not gonna lie. I got it from Walmart when I first moved in. I need to dust it. I wouldn't get too close because you can probably see the dust in there. Christmas lights are from Walmart as well. Then you get over here. We're gonna ignore the bubbles that I have down there behind the mirror. Over here is my curtain in my window. These are my blackout curtains that I also got from Walmart, and they came with 2 panels. That's one thing you have to watch because you can pick up some curtains and there's only 1 panel. Learn my lesson, not again. Then I have this nice plaque that I got from Hobby Lobby as well, which I've had since freshman year, and I like to keep it in my room. Okay. When you get over here to the side of the bed, I have my step stool. This is broken. It caves down in the middle sometimes. Hey, you know, I haven't bought a new one. I don't think I am because I have not hurt myself yet. I have had my foot go through the middle. It wasn't fun. And my comfy house shoes is what I got from Walmart. And then this is my snack basket. I just have a few snacks in here, like some gummy worms, some Sour Patch Kids, some Reese's. Thank you to Sione. Thank you. Some gas pills. Sometimes I need them, so yeah. I have some honey in here and Popeye's hot sauce. So yeah, okay. Come over here is my nightstand, which I always keep a bottle of water over here. We have my sleep mask, my Canon charger, my mood light. I'm not gonna say mood light, but more like my LED lights for behind my TV, and a water fountain that I tried. I used it maybe about 2 weeks and it's just stopped completely working. On my back wall, I have these pieces of garland and string lights, or whatever you want to call them. I got it all off of Amazon, and I will make sure to put it in the bio below. And then when you get to my bed, I have some memory foam pillows. These were supposed to be memory foam. They're not. I don't know who decided to lie about it, but this is the memory foam, and I could sure tell because I was getting cramps in my neck.
You're going to jail!
My gray pillowcases, Walmart. The Charlie Brown or whatever Snoopy ones you want to call it, I got those out of TJ Maxx. My pink pillows, these are covers from Amazon, and they're just inserts in there as well that I got from Amazon too. My bedding is from Target. I had another bedding a couple months ago. It got too hot, like sometimes here, and I was waking up sweating, and I did not like that at all. We got just some more stuff over here. This blanket I got out of Home Goods, and I was really scared that it wasn't gonna match my pillows at all, but we're good. We're cooking with Crisco. So my rug is from Ross. I think it was about $10 or something. It really wasn't that expensive at all. So now once you get down here, we're gonna look under my bed. Under my bed is my laundry hamper. If you look further back, that is a desk piece that I have when I like to edit on my bed. And then here is the bag that holds my ring light. I'm planning to get a bed skirt that's gonna match my blanket so that it covers all this up, because I just want it to look more neater and presentable. This is the second closet I have. So there's 3 closets in this room completely. This is Z's closet. He told me not to open it, so I'm not. Okay. This closet right here has just like towels, trash bags, because you know I'm always in the store, so I bring these bags back because I like to use them for my mini trash can. It's just very helpful. Iron, lint roller, some more water in my comforter that I had for a couple months ago, and then it got too hot. All right. If you look at this back wall right here, I have a bunch of pictures. I have pictures of me, my boyfriend, my family. It's just all over the place. If you look right here in this middle section, you will notice this is nothing but pictures of me. If you look right over here in this section, you see it's pictures of me and Z and my nephew. It's just a bunch. Then up here in the middle, we have a bunch of memes. I'm still in the process of collecting more, so more will be up there very soon, but I plan to cover this wall completely. But here is just my horizontal photos, which aren't close together and more spread out, and I will continue to add more of those as well. My umbrella. Now we're going to show what's over here on the side of the bed. As you can see, I have Snoopy sheets under, which I love it. Okay, so for the first drawer, it's more like intimates, bras, underwear, all this stuff like that. I'm not gonna open it because who want to see that? The second drawer is a bunch of t-shirts. I'm planning to take them all out of there and fold them military style because I'm tired of stuffing my shirts in there, and I really don't even have that many as I did freshman year in college. So why am I struggling to get them in there? So that's what I'm gonna do, so I can have way more space. And this drawer right here is more like, it is tight in here too. It's more like leggings, sweatpants, pajama pants, all that stuff like that. Goodness gracious. And then in here is more like sweatpants that did not fit in that top drawer. As you can see, I struggled then, and more jeans. When we get over here, this is kind of like Z's little area. He keeps all his stuff up here. And then here's my mini fridge that I bought from somebody off Facebook Marketplace. And there's really nothing in here besides water, LaCroix, and salsa. So I don't think I'm going to show that. All right, let's go to the bathroom. Okay, so now that we're in the bathroom, not really much. You probably have already seen a lot of stuff that's in here when I did my cleaning video. If not, I'm going to show you. Over here, I have some coconut oil, my, I guess you could say pimple extractor, whatever you want to call it, my water pick, some more oil, and this is all Z's stuff, his deodorant, cologne, lotion, and this is all my little area of my face wash, cocoa butter, all that stuff like that. Toothpaste, our toothbrushes, some soap, paper towels, mouthwash. And then when you look over here in these drawers, the first drawer is like what is mostly I use on a regular day basis. Face cream, my medicine, comb, edge brush, all that stuff like that. Second drawer, alcohol, aloe vera, baby oil gel, perfume, baby powder, pads, some cheap tampons. No, not again. All right, let me keep going before I get annoyed. Foot peel mask or whatever you want to call it. I haven't used it from Target yet. I got it maybe like a month ago. I haven't used it because it said that my feet would start to peel in like 7 days or something, and what if I want to wear sandals and I can't even wear sandals due to the fact that my feet are peeling? So I haven't given it a try yet. Down here is nothing but hair stuff. So you see I got hair products, Cantu, gel, my blow dryer, brushes, bonnets, stuff like that. Just a bunch of stuff. And here is all my cleaning supplies. That's a surprise.
Surprise, shawty!
Here's all my cleaning supplies. What I use to clean the bathroom, what I use to clean my room, all that stuff like that. And then we get over here to the toilet. Here's my toilet organizer, whatever you want to call it, that I also got from a girl off the Facebook Marketplace. I have tissue, air freshener, and then in this basket I have pads, panty liners, and baby wipes, which makes it so convenient. Some poopery and a candle. That candle ain't worth the poot. I don't smell nothing, but it's pretty. Over the door, I have this cute little over the door hook that I got out of TJ Maxx, and this is where Z keeps all his towels, and I keep mine right next to the shower, or like you like to say, the toilet. My shower curtain I got off Amazon, and then the little protector I got from Walmart. Nothing special, but the shower curtain is very cute, and yes, I'll put that down below as well. Inside my shower, nothing special, just, you know, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, baby wash, shaving cream, exfoliator, boom boom. That is all really that's in there. So we're done out of here. Let's go. Now that we're back at the door, I have this cute decor piece that I got from Hobby Lobby, I think maybe last year, and I used it in my dorm as well. So I just decided to put it up in here because it goes pretty much with everything. So I put it up in here as well. Over here I have this L that my Grammy made for me freshman year of college. She spray painted it. It's gotten scratched up over the years due to it being in storage and stuff like that, but I don't think I will ever throw it away because I just love it, and I thought it was so thoughtful for her to do that for me. So, and then on the door I just have a sheet full of goals that I have for myself, and I like to look at it every day as I walk out the door and remind myself. So I just keep it there, and it's in a very nice spot. My trash can I got out of either Walmart or Target. I'm gonna say Walmart. And then my rug, I got it off Amazon as well. It's like folded under the little flap, but I need to find something. My sister said maybe Velcro would help, but I just don't want to tear it up or tear the chair up, you know. But it's very cute, and it adds a touch of color because without this, it looks very drab. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. Let me know if you have any questions below about the products or items that I talked about. I will make sure to have everything that has a link in the description below. Let me know if you would like to see more videos revolving around my room or like certain decor ideas, stuff like that. Let me know, comment below, you know. We got it, we'll be doing it, boom. I hope you guys are remaining to be safe out here as well. We're still in a panoramic pandemic, Panera bread, however you want to say it. It's a beautiful day to keep moving forward, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Like challenged me throughout this whole video. She was yelling at me. She was abusive, she was aggressive like she always is.
No, he's lying, shaking the camera, and I just wasn't having it, that's all.
Like hit the mirror to focus.
Oh my gosh. I always do outfit details. So I have on this cute little bracelet that kind of looks like a Pandora bracelet from Shein. My hair was so red right there. Couldn't tell me nothing. Styling and profiling. Yep. Scrunchie that I got from, I don't know. Yeah, that's really about it there. These are my, what are they called? Let me show you the ice. I already done showed y'all this. This is from Forever 21. Like that, I don't want to get charged for damages. So my t-shirt is from Five Below, thanks to Aza, which was a Christmas gift. Either it was Christmas or my birthday. Can't remember. There's a lot of pictures on this wall that I have not posted on Instagram. What am I doing? Looks like I'm gonna do a photo dump. I gotta check that one.
Why are you so windy?
I don't know. Jeans are from Fashion Nova. My anklet that I have on is from Shein. Everyone is probably the mannequins. Yep. Mannequins. Nene is always a fave. And my Crocs is from crocs.com. I don't know. I'm starting to get into pink, which is a little scary because I wasn't really a girl that liked pink for real. My mom, when I shared a room with both of my two sisters, she decked our room out in hot pink, and I hated it. I really did.